Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.1.8 on Debian 12 operating system. First open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then click on Linux distributions. See here VirtualBox 7.1.8 for Linux supports on Debian 12. So click on Debian 12. Once we click on, see download started and its size is 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the VirtualBox 7.1.8 Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Give the VirtualBox. Give the tab. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing 7.1.8. okay, we have successfully installed. Now verify. Click on activity, show applications, go to here. See here we have the VirtualBox, or you can search here virtual. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. See, we got the VirtualBox manager. Double maximize it. Now verify the version. Go to help, about VirtualBox. See here we have VirtualBox 7.1.8. Close this one. Now go to Firefox or web browser, then go to VirtualBox homepage, then click on download, then install this VirtualBox extension pack. Okay, read this license agreement and click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack. We will open the VirtualBox again. Click on install. Go to the license agreement and click on I agree. Now we have to authenticate. Provide the password of root account, then click on authenticate. It will install now. See, installation is completed. Now if you want to create a virtual machine in Debian 12 operating systems, we have to click on new or machine and select new. Both will open the same window. Then we have to fill all these details. Okay, so go to the terminal. ls. These files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1.8. rm to virtual, give it ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.8 on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.